CrowdStrike event back in July impacted over 8 million Microsoft Windows systems, and users around the globe are looking for future assurance. In response, Microsoft has developed a new Windows Resiliency initiative that is designed to enhance security and reliability. The Windows Resiliency initiative includes changes that simplify recovery for machines in a similar CrowdStrike type of incident. Powerful application and driver controls are ingrained to help with antivirus solution effectiveness. Microsoft created a new quick machine recovery feature that empowers administrators to troubleshoot and remediate machines remotely. Business information security teams should be concentrated on defending the organization's systems from the latest threats and verifying data integrity. Microsoft is intent on maintaining the perspective of the Windows operating system as the most reliable and resilient offering on the market. The Windows Resiliency Initiative is focused on 4 main areas: strengthen reliability based on lessons learned from the CrowdStrike incident in July, enabling more applications and users to run without administrator privileges, stronger controls for what applications and users are allowed to run, and improved identity protection to prevent phishing attacks. Empowering Windows system administrators in time-critical situations with the most reliable tools is of the utmost importance. The Quick Machine Recovery remote solution has the ability to resolve issues quickly. Quick Machine Recovery will be available to the Windows Insider Program community in early 2025. Safe deployment practices are enabled so security champions may keep devices safe as part of the Microsoft Virus Initiative. All security product updates must be gradual, leverage deployment rings, and include monitoring. New Windows capabilities that allow developers to build applications outside of kernel mode provide increased security, faster recovery, and less impact from a Windows crash. The Secure Future initiative highlights adopting safer programming languages. Moving to Windows 11 offers a safe operating environment with advanced security. New Windows 11 machines demand hardware-backed security baselines and virtualization-based security. A system security baseline is a dependable starting point and the foundation to validate Windows security in all aspects. Copilot Plus systems feature Windows Hello enhanced sign-in security and a built-in Microsoft Pluton security processor. Credential Guard, Vulnerable Driver Block List, Local Security Authority Protection, and BitLocker should be enabled by default. Microsoft has removed insecure code and crypto algorithms, as well as automatically enabling security on new or upgraded computers. By observing attacker patterns and behaviors, a significant reduction in security incidents and firmware attacks have been documented. New Windows 11 security options have been presented to instill confidence in the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of the operating system. Standard user permission settings offer better security by blocking unauthorized access to critical systems and blocking malware. Administrator protection delivers standard user permissions by default, but allows system changes and application installation as needed. When a system change calls for administrator privileges, the user is prompted to authorize the change using Windows Hello. A temporary token is created to complete the task and destroyed once finished so the admin privileges are temporary. Administrator protection helps verify that an authorized user is in control of system resources. Microsoft Entra reports more than 600 million identity attacks per day, proving that cybersecurity teams must be diligent against credential and identity theft. Windows Hello serves as the built-in multi-factor authentication solution for Windows operating systems. Trusted apps and drivers thwart attacks fueled by downloading unsafe or unsigned applications and drivers. Smart App Control and App Control for Business policies ensure only verified applications may be executed. Artificial intelligence makes deployment easier and permits the addition of business-approved applications while removing concerns with malicious print drivers. The protection of business information is essential, and Microsoft Personal Data Encryption provides an easy landing strip. Personal Data Encryption utilizes Windows Hello authentication to defend files stored in the desktop, documents, and pictures folders. When you see a lock on the file, you know the data is protected. With personal data encryption enabled, file content may not be viewed until authentication happens in Windows Hello. Collaboration is streamlined with integration to OneDrive and SharePoint on Microsoft 365. Cybersecurity experts are always looking for a better way to handle Windows operating system management and configuration at scale. Hot Patch in Windows enables business to apply security updates without rebooting to reduce the time to adopt critical security updates. Windows Auto Patch settings in Microsoft Intune reduce the number of restarts while keeping systems secure and productivity uninterrupted. Zero Trust DNS confines Windows systems to authorized domains, blocking outbound traffic unless permitted by a protected DNS server or an administrator. Config Refresh is a commonly used feature to enforce MDM-defined security policies and automatically return operating system settings to the desired configuration. Swift machine recovery and reliable vendor practices are key improvements wrapped in the Microsoft Windows Resiliency initiative. The initiative introduces core updates designed to help IT teams recover Windows-based systems effectively in the case of critical situations. Updates to the Windows recovery environment empower administrators to address problems on systems that cannot boot remotely. Remotely deleting problematic files with Windows Update is an effective measure in the recovery environment. A centralized solution to manage common issues directly through the Windows recovery environment offers exceptional value. Stronger app and driver controls and antivirus processing outside the kernel elevate the security offering. The CrowdStrike incident highlighted the risk of kernel-level operations when a faulty CrowdStrike update caused widespread blue screen of death errors. Microsoft announced the Windows Resiliency initiative to take operating system security, integrity, and reliability to new heights. The initiative should be followed to help cybersecurity staff prevent incidents like the CrowdStrike event, enabling applications and users to operate without administrator privileges, adding controls for unsafe apps and drivers, and encrypting personal data are all areas of focus. Plan on using quick machine recovery to execute remote targeted fixes and Windows updates.